Hello and welcome to the final Banjo Adventures Making Melodies in the Wanderer module. Now, although this is the last one for the Wanderer module, it will be making a reappearance in all the upcoming modules. So for now, let's just put the notation on the screen. And as you can see with this one, we've got lots more of those rest notes. So make sure you leave space in between the notes where you see that rest symbol. And if you want to pause the video right here and have a go at this yourself, you can do. And let's set the metronome for 60 beats a minute and we'll give it a go. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. One, 2, and 3, 4, and. You guessed it, that is the second part of the tune Bingo. So I'll play it again for you a little bit quicker. Cool, I hope you guessed that right. So, as with all the Making Melodies, what we're going to do now, we're going to add another layer of complexity to this melody, to the tune Bingo. So, we'll be removing those rest notes and we'll be filling them in. So, as you can see on the screen now, those rest notes have gone and they have been replaced with, yes, you guessed it, the basic frailing strum. Okay, if you want to pause the video here and have a go yourself. And metronome is set, 60 beats a minute. And we will play this when you're ready. I'll count us in. We'll go through this 4 times. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. One, 2, and 3, 4, and. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. Cool, so that is bingo. I'll play for it a little bit quicker. So, as with all making melodies, we're going to take it up just one more notch, add a little bit more complexity to it. So let's see what we're going to add this time around. What shall we be adding? Let's take a look. And as you can see there, what we've done is we've removed some of the basic frailing strums, and we're going to play, for example, in measure number 2 there, we're going to play that driving 5th string's come back, hasn't it? Not a problem. So I'll play for it slowly first, and then we'll have a go at 60 beats, and then we'll turn it up a little bit. So it should sound like this. Alrighty, 60 beats a minute. We'll play through this 4 times, then we'll turn it up to 90. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. 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 'Good job. What we'll do now, we'll turn the metronome to 90 beats a minute. Nice little challenge. And I'll count us in. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 'Sounds pretty good. Right, the final challenge for Making Melodies in the Wanderer module. We're going to ramp it right up to 130 beats a minute for a nice little challenge. Are you ready? 1, 2, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 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 'Congratulations on making it to the end of Making Melodies in the Wanderer module. Now, if you didn't manage to play along with all of them, don't worry about it at all. We can always come back to these exercises at a later date. And that is the end of Making Melodies Wanderer. We will take it back again in the next module, which will be Rambler. And in that module, we'll be adding some new techniques called drop thumbing. So also all good stuff. Look forward to it, and I'll see you on the next lesson.